Ever wondered how Costco churns out those massive, delicious, and unbelievably affordable pizzas that have everyone lining up? We're about to pull back the curtain on one of the food court's greatest mysteries. It all starts with the dough Costco uses a proprietary recipe. But the key is a high-quality, enriched dough that's pliable and yields that signature chewy crust. They utilize massive industrial mixers, ensuring consistent texture and flavor batch after batch, ready for its transformation. Next, the sauce. It's a simple, yet perfectly seasoned tomato sauce, and it's applied with a measured hand to ensure even coverage. Then comes the cheese, a circumflex euros, a generous blend of low-moisture mozzarella, and a touch of provolone for that extra depth of flavor. This isn't just any cheese. It's specifically chosen and portioned for optimal melt and stretch. The assembly line is a marvel of efficiency. Each pizza is topped with incredible speed, and precision workers move with practiced choreography, ensuring every pizza gets the right amount of sauce and an even distribution of cheese, making the process look almost effortless. These pizzas don't bake in a standard oven. Costco uses large, specialized conveyor belt ovens. This allows for continuous baking, meaning hot, fresh pizzas are constantly coming out. The consistent temperature and airflow within these ovens are crucial for achieving that perfectly golden brown crust and fully melted cheese. The result: a consistently delicious, generously sized pizza for just a few dollars. It's a testament to smart sourcing, streamlined processes, and a deep understanding of what customers love, all delivered with the Costco value you expect.